Let's now introduce some simple color correction. So when we have the clip selected on the timeline that we want to change, we can click on it and change our workspace to color. Any changes we make now, whether it's to the sharpness, the saturation, will make a difference to that individual clip. Curves is a really nice place to start. It allows us to very easily brighten or darken an image and play with things like the contrast. So I'm just going to darken that image just a little bit so that when we now cut to that shot, you'll see in the program window that shot is a little bit darker than how it was originally recorded from the camera. You can apply this to any clip and you can do all sorts of creative things. You can add tints and different colors, and you can reduce colors, you can take colors away. It's just something to have a play with. Bear in mind it's only per individual clip.